Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you here. And if you're new, welcome to Bam's World. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and click on the little notification bell beside to get notified whenever a new video is posted. As you can see from today's title, I'll be making roasted plantain. Kindly stay tuned to the end to know how I did this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See my sister. Say hello, sister. Welcome back. Okay, so I bought this plantain and I have like 5 pieces in the bunch, so I'm trying to remove the peel now so that I can get the real plantain. That's what I'll be using for this video. Okay, so I'm done peeling the plantain now. I'm about to take it to the oven. Do stay with me. So for this video, I'm using an electric oven. So I turned the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius, and because I'm using the upper part alone, I turned it to that point. So right now, I am arranging the plantain in the oven. Watch me do this. Okay, so I arranged it in the oven and I timed it. I initially wanted to time it to 30 minutes, but I changed my mind and then timed it to 20 minutes. I had to finally add 10 minutes behind the camera because the 20 minutes was not enough. So at the end of 30 minutes, this is what I have. So okay, this part is ready. So I'm trying to turn it now. Guys, this is very hot. Like, oh Jesus, it was burning my hand. Those women roasting plantain by the roadside, they're really trying. It's so hot, like I just had to manage. So I'm turning it now so that the other side can get done too. So now I've finished turning it over, so I'm timing it to another 30 minutes for the other side to get done. So at the end of 30 minutes, that's the second 30 minutes, this is what I have. I'm trying to check if it's completely done now. Apparently both sides are done, but this thing is so hot. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. If you want to judge me, go and try your own. And try it and see how hot it is. Okay, so it's done now. After checking, this was the outcome and it was so sweet. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Until then, love and light.